Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are safe and fine. Today thought of preparing one of my favorite childhood dish. Yes, it's chicken kabsa, a traditional Arabian dish that's prepared in one pot method. Actually, I got this recipe from my mom who loves to bake and cook variety of recipes. She learned it from one of her Saudi neighbor. It's very mild in spice and has a peculiar aroma. So come along and let's cook kabsa. So all you need is 1 bay leaf, 4 cloves, 2 cardamom and 1 cinnamon, 1 teaspoon pepper, 3 big onions sliced, crushed garlic 1 tablespoon with an inch of crushed ginger piece, tomato paste 1.5 tablespoon, that's optional, puree of 4 big tomatoes, 2 dried lemon. You can prepare your own dried lemon. Boil water in a pot and add salt and add 2 lemon to it. Boil only for 1 or 2 minutes and switch off. Transfer to cold water bowl and keep it for 10 minutes and dry them with a towel and place those lemon in sunlight for 6 days. Coriander powder 1 tablespoon. Pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Roasted cumin powder 1 tablespoon. You'll be needing 1.5 teaspoon of spice powder for this kabsa. Prepare the spice powder, dry roast 3 cardamom, 5 cloves and 3 cinnamon and grind all these to fine powder and that will be your spice mix. Then you need 1/4 cup raisins and 3/4 cup grated carrot. Here I have washed and soaked 750 grams of basmati rice. For kabsa, we need less quantity of rice and more of chicken. So for 750 grams of rice, I took 1 kilo of chicken. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter and add 5 tablespoons of oil in a wide pan. Add the whole spices, that's bay leaf, cinnamon, clove, cardamom. Then add in the peppercorns. And after this splatter, add the onions. Saute them well. Now add in the chicken pieces. For kabsa, just a small inch of ginger piece is enough. So here I have crushed an inch of ginger piece along with the garlic pods and give it a stir. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of the spice powder. Then add in the coriander powder, cumin powder, pepper powder and stir it well. Next add the tomato paste. Now add 4 tomato puree. If you don't have tomato paste, add the puree of 5 tomatoes. Now give it a good mix and sprinkle some salt. Cover and cook the chicken. Now after 10 to 12 minutes, or when your chicken is almost done, add 2 cups of water for 1 cup rice. So for 750 grams of rice, I have taken 4 big glass of water. Now add shredded carrot, and dried lemon, and give it a stir. Check for salt and add if needed. Cover and cook till the water starts to boil. Now remove the chicken pieces, which has been slowly simmered in the spices and tomato base. Now add the soaked rice. Cover and cook the rice in high flame. When the water and rice is in same level, cover the pot with an aluminum foil and keep in dum. That is, place a heated tawa beneath the pot and switch the flame to low and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. You can fry the chicken on a frying pan or you can grill in the oven. Here I have applied mixed chili powder and saffron along with melted butter and brushed all the sides on the chicken and grilled it for 15 minutes at 210 degrees centigrade. After 15 minutes, switch off the flame and remove the aluminum foil. The rice is perfectly cooked. Now place the baked chicken on top. And in the center, place a small cup or foil like this and keep a burning charcoal and pour a teaspoon of butter or ghee on top and cover it with a lid or with an aluminum foil and switch on the flame for another 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and fry the raisins. If you have pine nuts, that will also taste good. That's what the authentic recipe says. They add pine nuts and raisins. Now your delicious and flavorful kabsa is ready. Garnish it with the fried raisins and serve it hot with garlic sauce and Arabian tomato chutney. It's very easy to prepare with least ingredients, and do try it out. Give me your comments. Stay tuned for more recipes.